Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to compare different ways to develop programs. UiPath, which is based on XAML and workflow. And usual code I will use Dart as well as another language as C#, Java and so on. Today I want to automate a simple task. I need to check that specific folder exists on my disk and after that compress it as a zip archive. Very simple and very easy to do. Let's try to do it on UiPath. If you agree with me that this construction looks, hit the like button. Let's try to repeat it using Dart, and in general your code looks pretty good and readable. With more complex things such as while loop, XAML design looks even worse. Thank you for watching, see you next time.